Hey, what's up, Nasir? This is Gordon Farley from Lead Local. It'll take about 5 minutes of your time here to run through some things that can be done to get you seen a little bit more around Hillsborough. Get your business seen, get some more calls in, some more auto repair calls, things like that. So, a couple things real quick. Doing some research. A couple things I noticed. Your you're seen on Facebook as Hillsborough Exxon, and I jump over to Google and you're seen as Hillsborough Services. I think Hillsborough Services is what you probably want to be seen by. That's what you submitted on the form. Um, but that's something we definitely want uh, to combine. Make sure you create one consistent page. Make sure your website says one thing so that people know what they're getting. Now, when I did a search for Hillsborough Auto Repair, it's the Auto Repair Hillsborough, New Jersey. Um, the map listings, again, this is what we want to be consistent with, and this is what you're being seen for on Hillsborough Services. Um, we can optimize your Google business page by adding more pictures, adding more descriptions, and also what's called citations, which are digital business cards we can submit. That'll help you get to the top. And then when we come down here, this is where most of the clicks happen, in the quote unquote organic section of the search results. And the first real competitor, the first listing is Yelp, which we don't necessarily pay attention to. But I do pay attention to this one here, Amwell. And it looks like this guy's pretty well known. I go to his site. Sorry, as it kind of respins here. It's a really nice site, really well laid out. A little bit hard to read here. That's, they've gotten around that. They're pretty well known. Call to action, right? Good click to call phone numbers. The thing I look for here is a lot of content and text to explain to the customers and also the search engines what exactly it is that you do. You're an auto repair, and then where are you? So let me give you an example of that. So the customer that we have here in Dayton, Ohio, is called Smith's Auto Repair, and this is a site we did for him just outside of Dayton here. And we talk about content. I'm talking about lots of content, very descriptive, authoritative, tells you exactly what it is the business does and where they do it. And the reason for that is I'm going to pull up a tool here called SEMRush. And as you can see, I pulled up Smith's Auto Dayton, and I'm going to give you an idea of why the content is so important. So I'm going to come down here to where he's getting found, his top organic keywords. This is how people are finding him. Okay, because of the searches that he does, not the business name. So people are searching for mechanics. He's listed as number 1. Auto repair in Dayton, Dayton Auto Repair, then car shops in Dayton. Now he is getting found for Smith's Auto Shop. That's what's called a branded search. But if you're a little bit smaller or just kind of starting out, maybe not as well known, this is how people find you, right? They're searching for the service, not necessarily your business name. And then once you get more well known, as you can see here in a minute, Amwell is pretty well known, and people are searching for their business specifically. And that's when you really start to take over. And that's what we can help you do for sure. So I'm going to jump over to Amwell and their SEMRush page. Come up to the top here. The other thing I want to make note of. So the content has to be right on your page. It tells the search engine and your customers, this is what we do, this is where we do it. Now, once that's all dialed in, now we start pointing backlinks to your site. So what's a backlink? A backlink is an endorsement to your site from another site. So if you get a backlink from, say, Exxon, get a backlink from Exxon, that they're really well known. That's a great backlink, as opposed to maybe an auto repair blog that I just started out of my office here in my house. Nobody knows me, nobody knows that I'm tied to auto repair necessarily, so that the endorsement from my blog isn't going to be a great for your auto repair site. It was as an endorsement from Exxon. So think of a backlink as an endorsement, and you need a lot of different endorsements, big ones and small ones, and all kinds of that in between. So again, this is the domain I reviewed from Amwell Auto and Tire. They've got about 847 backlinks. And come down here. This is how people are finding them. People are searching in their name. It's a branded search, okay? So they're pretty well known in the area. That's my takeaway. They're pretty well known. So to get there, you've got to get found through, like a more vague search like tire repair. And for you, that's how we build you up. Now for reference, okay, 847 on this site here, Amwell. On the site that we did for our customer in Dayton, we've got almost 4,000. Okay, we're going to do the same process for you, and the same results follow. That's how we do it. So if you have any questions, please feel free. Shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'll give you my phone number in the email. It's not as expensive as what you may think it is. And this customer here, we did the project in 2019, and he's not paid anything in 2020, and nor will he in 2021. The traffic that he's getting now, that's evergreen. So it's more of a long-term investment for sure. All right, I'm going long, about 6.5 minutes. Nasir, thank you for your time, buddy. Please give me a call, shoot me a message, and I'd love to chat with you more. Take care.